Something strange is happening all around the world, and no one seems to have a clear answer. From mysterious lights in the sky to unexplained sounds deep in the ocean, it feels like Earth itself is trying to tell us something. People everywhere are waking up to the fact that what's going on can no longer be ignored. Could this be the start of something big? Maybe even something the world's governments don't want us to know about? Stay with me, because what you're about to hear might change the way you see the world forever. It started quietly, strange sky flashes captured on cameras, massive booms, shaking cities with no source found, and animals acting as if they sense danger we can't see. At first, experts called them coincidences, just random natural events. But when these incidents began happening all over the planet at the same time, people knew something was very wrong. All around social media, videos are popping up showing glowing spheres in the night sky. Weird cloud formations that look almost artificial, and strange beams of light reaching down to the ground. Are these secret military experiments, signs of a coming natural disaster, or something far beyond our understanding? The truth might be more shocking than we think. In South America, people reported hearing deep, metallic humming sounds coming from underground. In Asia, drones caught footage of glowing lights moving beneath the surface of the ocean. In Europe, ancient structures started showing magnetic readings that scientists can't explain. It's like the entire planet is alive and trying to wake up. Some believe this is linked to Earth's magnetic field, which has been shifting faster than ever before. Others think it could be a sign of extraterrestrial activity or an upcoming cosmic event that we've been warned about for years. Whatever it is, something is connecting all of these strange happenings, and the pattern is becoming impossible to deny. Even NASA and the US military have quietly acknowledged that they are tracking unidentified aerial phenomena. But they won't say what they really are. Why the secrecy? Why now, when sightings and strange global changes are happening more than ever? Are they hiding something from us? There are reports of massive energy surges detected in Earth's atmosphere, similar to those that happen before solar storms, yet these are coming from inside the planet. Scientists are confused. How can energy bursts happen without a source? Some researchers say these could be connected to underground technological activity, maybe from humans, or something else. Meanwhile, the weather is becoming more unpredictable. Lightning storms forming without clouds, heat waves followed by snow, and strange fogs that block out signals. People in different countries are capturing identical sky events at the same time, from thousands of miles apart. Is it natural, or is someone or something controlling it? Experts are warning that we might be witnessing a global reset of the planet's natural systems. But others are suggesting that this could be the start of a massive cover-up, that governments are testing advanced technologies capable of manipulating weather, gravity, or even human perception. And maybe, just maybe, that's why so many of these strange things are happening at once. Whatever the cause, one thing is clear. The world we live in is changing fast. And these mysteries are growing every day. The truth might be hidden behind walls of silence. But signs are everywhere in the sky, beneath the oceans, and even in the vibrations of the ground beneath our feet. The question is, are we ready to face what's really coming? Across the Arctic, strange magnetic pulses have been detected, waves of energy that seem to move in patterns, like a signal. Satellites have picked them up, but no one knows their source. Some experts think these pulses could be artificial, maybe even an attempt to communicate. But the question remains, who or what is trying to make contact? In deserts around the world, new symbols and shapes are appearing overnight. They aren't crop circles, but massive geometric marks that stretch for miles and can only be seen from above. Locals say they appear after sudden flashes of light or deep rumbling sounds underground. Could these be warnings? Messages? Or something being built beneath our feet? Deep-sea explorers have recorded metallic sounds echoing from the ocean floor, almost like machinery. The weirdest part? These sounds repeat at exact intervals, like a heartbeat. Some researchers think ancient structures might be activating again, powered by something humans don't understand. Others believe we are rehearing signs of a civilization that's been down there far longer than we've existed. In recent months, strange blue lights have been seen above volcanoes right before they erupt. Scientists can't explain why these lights appear, and locals describe them as portals or energy bursts. Could these lights be connected to the rise in global earthquakes and sudden volcanic activity? Something is stirring deep within the earth, and it's getting stronger. At the same time, people are reporting time anomalies, minutes or even hours missing from their day, clocks freezing and then jumping forward and devices glitching worldwide. Experts call it temporal distortion, but offer no real answers. Is time itself starting to warp? Or is something interfering with our reality in ways we can't yet measure? Meanwhile, animals are reacting in strange ways. Birds are flying in chaotic patterns, whales are beaching themselves in record numbers, and pets are becoming restless before unusual events. It's as if nature senses something we can't. History shows us that animals often act strangely before disasters. But what if this time, it's not a natural one? Around the world, power grids have failed for short bursts. It's not due to weather, but due to unknown surges of electromagnetic force. Governments claim their technical issues, yet the same type of surge was detected in over 20 countries within the same 24 hours. What could cause synchronized blackouts across the globe? Some say it's a test. Others say it's a warning. People in remote mountain areas have captured footage of glowing figures moving through forests at night, not animals. It's not drones, but tall, luminous shapes that vanish when approached. Witnesses describe a deep humming sound before these sightings. Scientists dismiss it as camera tricks. But when soldiers and pilots report the same thing, it's harder to ignore. In ancient prophecies from different cultures, Mayan, Hindu, and even Norse legends, there are predictions about an awakening of the earth when the skies will glow. The oceans will speak, and the ground will shift. Are we seeing those signs right now? Many believe we've entered a global cycle that's been written about for thousands of years. Whatever this is, it's happening faster every month. Strange events are multiplying, secrets are being kept, and ordinary people are capturing extraordinary evidence. The line between science fiction and reality is fading, and the biggest question remains. Are we witnessing a natural transformation, or the beginning of something beyond human control? In the last few weeks, even pilots flying commercial jets have reported glowing objects moving alongside them at impossible speeds. These lights don't show up on radar, they don't respond to communication, and they vanish within seconds. The official explanation: atmospheric reflections. But how can a reflection keep pace with a jet at 600 miles per hour? Something or someone is watching us from above. Stranger still, ordinary people using backyard telescopes are noticing objects orbiting Earth that aren't T-listed on any satellite tracker. They move silently in synchronized paths, often in groups of 3 or 4. Some appear for only a few minutes before disappearing into the darkness. If these aren't satellites, what are they? Secret projects? Extraterrestrial probes? Or something even more mysterious? Even the moon has become a source of growing mystery. Recently, instruments have picked up strange flashes and faint vibrations coming from its surface, as if something beneath the lunar crust is shifting or awakening. Some astronomers claim they've seen temporary lights on the moon called lunar transients that have no known cause. Could the moon be more than a dead rock in space? Meanwhile, ancient structures around the world, from the pyramids of Egypt to temples in South America, are emitting unusual energy readings. Devices placed nearby record magnetic surges and small electric currents, even though these sites have no modern power source. Are these monuments reactivating after centuries of silence? Or are they responding to the same mysterious force now affecting the planet? People are beginning to notice the sky looks different. The colors at sunset are deeper, the clouds form strange patterns, and the stars seem to shift positions slightly night after night. Scientists say the atmosphere is changing, but many believe it's something else, a veil being lifted, revealing what has always been hidden from us. In hidden parts of the internet, leaked documents claim that world leaders have already met to discuss these global anomalies. Some sources say they fear a cosmic event approaching, something powerful enough to reset modern civilization. Whether or not these leaks are real, one thing is certain: the sense of global unease is growing, and the silence from those in power only makes it worse. Communities everywhere are forming groups to study the changes, independent researchers, sky watchers, and truth seekers sharing footage and data. Governments may dismiss them, but their findings are hard to ignore. They've tracked identical light patterns appearing above cities across continents, all following the same trajectory, all within minutes of each other. That's not random, that's a pattern. Every major mystery in history began with people refusing to believe what they were told. From suppressed archaeological discoveries to unexplained sky events, Humanity has always been kept a few steps behind the truth. But now, thanks to global technology and instant communication, the secrets are slipping through the cracks. People are waking up and demanding answers. Maybe the strangest part of all this is how connected it feels. From the deepest parts of the ocean to the highest points of the atmosphere, every strange event seems linked, as if one global system is reacting. Could Earth itself be alive? Not just a planet, but a vast organism responding to something cosmic? Whatever the truth is, it's coming. The signs are getting stronger, the evidence clearer, and the questions louder. Something big is unfolding, something that could redefine what it means to be human and what it means to live on this planet. The world is changing right before our eyes. And this time, there's no turning back.